One switchblade knife with kill all betrayers written on the blade. Black.
You have 6 seconds to suck those filthy words back inside your rotten little mouth.
Hey, you're cutting!
How about I show you what real cutting is, huh?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Can you speak into my microphone?
Whoa, things just got real.
Wow! Downloadable switchblades, huh? That's the new feature. Oh, no!
You're going to tell me everything you know.
Nobody's stopping Cthulhu now. All will be sadness.
Dude, that little kid is hardcore goth. Hardcore goth?